All right, guys. Welcome to this session, and I want us to do a quick reflect of the video that I actually did yesterday. So here is the video that I actually did yesterday. You can go watch it right over here, and this was the trade position. As you can see, I did explain it. It is the Tuesday 5th trade outlook, which is here. YouTube. You can check these rank trades. Rank trades is my channel, and this is the trade I actually took. YouTube also. I'm currently in TikTok, so worry not why I'm really taking some time. But yeah. So if we go back to what really brought me into this, is see the outcome of the trade. This trade actually ran beautifully, and we can see the market rallied really higher. We had a retracement there, but the final TP actually was actualized, and the market really rallied higher. Those who weren't here, whenever maybe we were talking about this price action over here, this was the pricing. Let me ensure that what is needed to be seen is only seen. So if I have this 15 minutes fair value gap should be visible from below. Also, we have another 15 minutes to avoid lots of markups on the higher time frame. So if we go to the 4 hour, this is what we have from the 4 hour. At that point, we had broken through these previous day's high, and you are seeing with that candle how it did play nicely. Then we had the around 9 a.m. candle open rallied, and you can see the market is really running higher. So what did I see at that moment in time is we think that the market had broken through the previous day's high, and what was happening if we drop further to the 1 hour time frame is we had fair value gaps being formed. Yes, we had around 10. What you saw, this candle though consolidated, we formed a 1 hour fair value gap above the prior day high, which was kind of signaling that we are expecting bullish pricing. Have it maybe, yeah, we are expecting bullish prices. Guys, you can also like this live, and also those who are in YouTube with me, kindly like the video, also subscribe to this channel. So what we saw is a fair value gap being formed over here, break through it, and as the market was breaking through these highs that confirmed a fair value gap, the second candle, the expansive candle, then to me was really interested in it and decided to drop further into the lower time frames. And from the 30 minutes, the same price action was being visible. Seeing market displacing, as see pushed higher, we're closing above this the second candle of the fair value gap, right, as you can see over here. Then this candle closed above. Those were giving me signals, though this fair value gap wasn't really traded into. To me, somehow it was to be a bug, which is a breakaway gap, which we don't really intend to see it being traded into. So from the 15 minutes, this was the fair value gap I was watching to see how price reacts to it. Then we broke through it. As we were closing, immediately this candle closed. That's where I took my position. I don't know whether you guys can see it. Immediately this 15 minutes candle closed bullish. I had my trade there, and the candle, as this candle was opening, then we consolidated a little bit within. We dropped down into this area, was trying to find area of support, which were kind of respected. This was a 1 minute breaker. I think market traded into it, pushed back, dropped lower to 5 minutes fair value gap, then pushed higher, another drop, then finally the market decided to spool higher, and the final TP was actually reached, I think, today in the morning. It was a Tuesday trade, but around Wednesday 5 a.m. New York time, that's when my TP was hit, right? So yeah, that was the trade that I took for NQ, and mostly I will be measuring on NQ gold, I don't want to do anything. My accounts I will be trading NQ because I'm seeing whatever I'm seeing from NQ is I'm getting more of trades right other than uh, other pairs. It seems my strategy is really working on these US 100 other than the other pairs. So that's what I did have. This was my trade position, and now I guess we can maybe try to reanalyze what we had, what I have for today. So really doing it quick fast. Let me delete everything from here. Yeah, I leave that because I might be analyzing it afresh to maybe another video. So what we have at this moment in time, it's currently 8 a.m. New York time. Over here it's around 3. So what we have is we have been the market is really expansively bullish right here. We can see that the market is bullish. Yesterday we closed really bullish. Anyone joining, thank you, and also welcome. We can get to learn and also get to trade together. These ranks, remember to like the video. Currently at 0 likes, so if you are kind enough, you can give me some likes. But yeah, let me keep doing the thing. So what do we see from the daily time frame? We are really bullish with how yesterday candle closed. We closed really bullish, currently trading above the prior day high, and since we are trading above the prior day high, we have this probable fair value gap that will be found, but we haven't really confirmed that. So we deal with what is actually happening right now. So since we have this fair value gap, this possible fair value gap, and we are trading above the prior day high, what I want to do is I want us to mark. Let me have my magnets on. I want us to have, yeah, these are prior day high label there. So I need to label it as my PPH. Yeah, as my BDH should be top right there. So having my prayer day high and possibly nothing much from the daily time frame other than seeing we're in a bullish trend. Let's see whether the 4 hour is in support of that. On the 4 hour, what we are seeing is bullish prices forming a really expansive fair value gaps, not trading into any of it, and the market is pulling higher. This candle has 57 minutes before this candle closes, this 4 hour candle closes. So what are we seeing from the 4 hour and something shortly? We have this prior day high that I've already marked. It should have the visibility below. Wasn't really seeing it from the 4 hour. So if we go to the 4 hour, where is our PDH? Our PDH is slightly below here. There we go. So this is the PDH, but from the 4 hour breakaway gaps, seeing not any being traded into, but also what I'm seeing, we have this level over here that the market has really had us thing into it, and then rejected going higher, which is, let's say, overlapping also with a 4 hour fair value gap. Want to see how price will be reacting to this zone, right, into this, because what we're seeing currently is some nice rejection. With this rejection, want to ask ourselves, how will price really react to it? Could we confirm a bearish fair value gap, or maybe could we see maybe a drop, maybe even lower to these 4 hour fair value gaps that have been left open? So I think that's what we will be trying to look at. But since this 4 hour fair value gap is also overlapping with a 1 hour fair value gap, so 4 hour FEG 4/1 hour, I think that's what I need to have. So 4/1 hour FEG there that I will be really watching to see how price reacts. And you can see whatever we are forming higher highs. You see we have these high, the magnet should be off. So from the 1 hour, we're having some nice structure, this high, sorry for this. Then we had this other low. Then we have broken through this prior high. We have formed another high over here. So we are in a bullish trend. So somehow we can anticipate maybe a drop into a specific level, a level like this. And then will we expect maybe to have something like this back to this high and continue with the trend going higher. So we will be identifying that. We will try to observe what will be happening. And I think this drop into this maybe 4/1 hour fair value gap is really good to see. So that's what I'm expecting as of today. But if we break through maybe these lows, then somehow we can expect maybe a lower prices. But in bullish scenes like this, the market don't usually have maybe uh, some heavy drops. You can see like this drop. Since we are in a long-term bullish trend, we don't really have massive drops. What we have is just a small retracement to a key level, then a continuation higher. So somehow also with this, we can expect that a drop, a small drop. If we see a rejection, then somehow we can have these as my target. So that's what I will be having for today. And yeah, let's wait and see what will be happening. Until next time, YouTube, be safe. But as of TikTok, we will be logged in until we see something happen. YouTube, till next time. Or in the evening when we will be talking about what a trade outlook of today. Bye.